In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Firebase account. By the end, you'll have a fresh Firebase project ready to build with, and you'll understand the key options you'll see along the way. First, open your web browser and go to the Firebase website at firebase.google.com. On the home page, look for the button labeled Go to Console. Click that to jump into the Firebase console. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to sign in before continuing, since Firebase uses your Google identity to manage projects securely. Once you're in, you'll land on the Get Started area of the console. This is the central place where you'll manage all your Firebase projects. It's designed to make creating, organizing, and monitoring your apps straightforward, whether you're building for the web, iOS, Android, or multiple platforms. From here, select Create a new Firebase project. You may also see an option to try out a sample app. That's a quick way to explore Firebase features with pre-configured examples. For this walkthrough, we'll proceed with creating a brand new project so you can tailor everything to your needs. Click Create a new Firebase project to open the project setup flow. In the first screen, type your project name. Choose something that clearly identifies your app or environment, like My App or My App Prod. Firebase will generate a unique project ID based on this name, which is how Firebase identifies your project under the hood. You can usually accept the default unless you have specific naming standards in your organization. After entering the name, click Continue to move ahead. Firebase will validate the name and get the project ready for configuration. This only takes a moment. Next, you'll see an option to enable Google Analytics for the project. Turning this on lets you collect usage and engagement data, which is helpful for understanding user behavior and measuring growth. If you prefer to keep your project minimal for now, you can leave analytics off and enable it later. If you do enable it, just be sure it aligns with your privacy requirements and regional policies. When you're ready, click Create Project. Firebase will provision resources, apply your settings, and set up the dashboard. This can take a short minute. Once it's done, you'll see a success confirmation and be taken to your new project's home screen. That's it. You now have a Firebase project created and ready. From here, you can add an app, configure authentication, set up a database, or explore the sample app if you want to test features quickly.